You love to sew. Maybe you quilt. Maybe you're into machine embroidery, or maybe you're just getting started. You like to make your home beautiful. You create and give to the people you love. Sometimes your ideas feel just a little bigger than you know how, and you wish you could find some people in the same boat. Sounds like you? Good. You're in the right place. Welcome to my girlfriend's quilt shop, where creativity and community go hand in hand. This is where you level up your sewing skills and find a community of people ready to cheer you on. We learn together, mess up sometimes, laugh a lot, and we make sewing, well, not boring. We bring the sewing shop experience straight to your home with clear step-by-step lessons and quick, helpful videos you can jump into anytime. We stream live sewing and embroidery events, share tips and tricks, and bring you what we like to call edutainment. The info and education you need in a way that feels fun and doable. You'll also find Three Things Live, our lifestyle show that's all about learning new skills, growing, and enjoying the good stuff in life. Watch live and hang out with us or catch the replay whenever it works for you. And don't miss Show and Sell with the Girlfriends, where we show you machine and tool features so you can buy with confidence. No guesswork needed. Plus, we've got years of experience and real knowledgeable customer support. Yep, actual humans ready to help when you need it. So really, you found your people. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and let's start your creative journey together.